हाय, माय नेम इज सौम्या सरकार और आप देख रहे हैं वेल्थ रिडिफाइंड ब्लॉग। इन टुडेज ब्लॉग आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द recent market correction. Lot of clients ask me about it and I thought it is a good way to make a video and answer those things. Yes, market has given a good kind of correction. So a lot of people ask me that whether it is a crash or a correction. If you go to my older videos, you will see that I already told what is the difference between a crash and a correction and what kind of corrections are there. So there are three kinds of correction: minor, major and deep. When there is a deep correction, market usually corrects by approximately 30 to 40%. It maximum can go to 50%, but usually it not. This kind of correction happens almost once in a decade or twice in a decade. But when there is a crisis period goes on, that point of time it can happen on a frequent basis, but not once in a month or once in 6 months or once in a year. It happens in once in a probably 3 years, 4 years, 5 years kind of a time. Another correction is called major correction, when market corrects by approximately 15 to 20%. This kind of correction usually happen once in 3 years or once in 2 years. And another kind of correction, when market corrects by around 5 to 10%, that's called minor correction. Minor correction happens once in 6 months or 7 months. Actually, correction gives the confidence to the investors, because if you go to the behavioral finance, you will find that there is somebody's buying point is always somebody's selling point. Now, if you match it, then you find that once the market goes up, the more people are moving towards the selling part because they already bought it and they are already in profit. So obviously the buyer comes down at that point of time. So when market corrects, that means the buyers are going to enter again, and the sellers are already moved out beforehand. So this actually gives a confidence to the investor that yes, the market is on a healthy position. If you look at the market today or in recent time, you will see that market has already given minor correction. It may give a major correction. But predicting a market is a wrong way to do, because you cannot predict the market. You do not know which companies will do what. But I personally feel the banking sector in India is still very weak. It will take some time to improve in that particular sector. And you see the major correction happens because of some big companies like HDFC, ICICI, Reliance, they have not done well. And probably you will see that probably next week onward, you might see there is some movements. Another important thing is that you can see that government is coming with a crypto bill. So people are losing confidence on the cryptocurrency. So they will start pulling out the money and they may start putting the money into the market, which may give a better result to the market. Now comes to that why the market has corrected a bit. Because of the valuation point of view. Market was slightly ahead of the fundamentals. So a lot of people are putting money with an expectation that it will give more return. And obviously when the people were putting more money, there are some people who already put the money, thought that yes, it is a good time to book profit, and they pulled the money, and that is the reason market corrected. Do I see a near danger to the market? No, I do not think that there is a near danger to the market. I specifically want to thank government as well as the RBI, the way they managed it. I think the way the RBI managed it, as well as how the global liquidity is going to play, we do not see there is a massive correction into the market like 2008 or 2020. There may be some corrections. So how an investor should put the money? Investor, I think, should take the systematic way, should not bet on the market directly, and they can invest into the funds, which is more of a balance or balance advantage kind of a fund. And with that thing, they might able to see the ups and downs of the market and ride through it. So I do not see there is a massive correction in the market, but yes, there might be some more correction I think is still pending. And it actually gives a good entry point to the investors. So if you are planning to put the money into the market, I think you should talk to your financial advisor and investment advisor and know that which fund is going to help you towards your goal. And the best way to put the money is through SIP and STPV, because that will not give you the risk of a direct investment of a big amount. It will give a staggered way of investment, and you can always catch the lower points. And if you feel that it has come down to certain level, that point of time you may stop the SIP part and you may put the lump sum part. In this way, I think you can well manage the portfolio. But whenever you are putting the money into the market, you should understand that you should be there for at least 5-7 years kind of a time. Because when you are in equity, it is volatile and it may go ups and downs, and it is probably in nobody's control. It's a global phenomena, global cues and all those things. Brent crude is cooling off because US and India and all, they have started releasing from their strategic reserves, which may a good sign for the market. Because once the Brent crude is cooling off, obviously the balance of payments for us will going to improve, and that improvement may lead to lot of money flows towards the infrastructure and everything, and we may see lot of FIIs are start putting the money. If you look at the last couple of weeks, you can see FIIs were relentlessly sold off Indian shares, and it is mostly the DIIs who actually hold the market. But this sell-off will not continue for long, because they have already done a big sell-off and they will again start buying it. I am hoping that probably by next January, February onward, they will again start buying it and market will see some good growth there. I request all the investors to be patient at this point of time, talk to their financial advisor and investment advisor, and do not panic. If you do not panic and if you continue to invest, I think that market will not disappoint you in the long run. If you have any queries regarding this thing, you can write on the comment box, or you can send us comments through email or phone number or WhatsApp. We will try to address them. If you like the video, you may press the like button, you may subscribe to the channel, or you can share among your peers. Thank you for watching the video. Namaskar.